Want to clean up your Shopify store? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to remove unused themes step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. First, open your Shopify admin panel and head to the sidebar. Click on Online Store, then select Themes. Scroll down until you see the theme library. This is where all your active and inactive themes are stored. Find the theme you want to delete and click the three-dot menu next to it. From the drop-down, select Remove and confirm your choice. The theme will instantly disappear from your library. Don't worry, deleting an unused theme won't affect your live store design. And that's it. Your Shopify theme has been successfully removed. Keep your library clutter-free to make managing your store much easier. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify tutorials for more tips.